Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the other side of Gakure. Today, I'm in a different location, coming at you from my favorite local whiskey bar, Brownie, in Obihiro. I'm gonna be announcing the winners with the help of my friend Mr. Hiragawa here, who also owns this bar, and we'll be laying back over the glass of whiskey. Thank you for all the entries. I put the names who enters the giveaway on the whiskey bottles with stickers. I asked Mr. Hiraga to do that last night, and he has no idea what I would like to drink tonight from the many bottles here, and I'm not sure either. Our method of drawing lots is a lucky whiskey dip. So let's get started. Now to the starter. Let me have Japanese whiskey by Mr. Hiraga's recommendation. Akeshi Distillery is a new distillery in Hokkaido, established in 2013, and is a 2.5-hour drive from here. They are also a promising Japanese distillery that has already won several awards. On the back of the bottle, congratulations! My name is Kevin. You won a Dean 2 polishing cloth. I'll have to pay my maximum attention not to get drunk and wipe my mouth with it. Slanche bar. Next bottle is I'll have a closed, lost, in other words, ghost distillery. Oh my gosh, Mr. Hiraga brought a 27-year-old Brawler. Brawler is indeed the lost iconic of the whiskey world, but this year, 2021, they are reopening after 38 years. On the bottom of the bottle is congrats, NOAG Series R6. I don't know how to say, but NOAG Series R6. You won a D&J rechargeable stick light. I'll be testing a light in a back alley on my way home. I hope police don't question me on duty. Slanche bar. For my last bottle, I drink the distillery who hosted the father of Japanese whiskey, Masataka Taketsuru, who created Yamazaki, Yoichi, and many more. Hell no! Mr. Hiraga is about to empty my wallet. 43-year-old Longmont, Gordon Macphail Celtic Level. I think this is distilled in 1965 and bottled in 2009. I don't think it's an overstatement to say that without Longmont, there would be no Japanese whiskey. the last one to win. Congratulations at BI.living. You are a DJ hybrid driver. Hiraga-san, why don't you spin this around and make a cocktail? Slanche bar. That's it for the winners. I'll do another giveaway when I get a chance. So if you didn't win, I hope you win next time. Thank you, Mr. Takanokura, for providing with these. By the way, this bar brownie is always great to come to. There are some festival bottles that Hiraga-san lined up to buy on the Isle of Islay in Scotland in the heavy rain, and it's great to be able to get such quality drinks 5 minutes from my home. He and I haven't been able to go recently because of COVID, but we visit Scotland every year. So if you see us anywhere in Scotland, give us a shout. Or if you have strong connection in the whiskey industry, like sneaking into the distillery that is not open to public, I'm waiting for your message. See you all next time. Martin Leben Drastar.